Ignition instructions. Gently press and turn the igniter to the ignition position. Hold down the igniter. You will hear a clicking sound tick 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 as ignition begins. After the flame ignites, continue holding the igniter for 5 to 10 seconds to prevent the flame from going out. Turn the knob to the high flame position and switch on the control board. Alternatively, you may turn on the control board first, then switch to the high flame position. Temperature and time settings guide. Connect the power supply. The screen will display the MAC address, used to activate the IoT function. Turn on the power switchy when the indicator light is on. The machine is heating. Short press the temperature key once to view the current temperature. Short press twice to view the target temperature. Long press the temperature key to quickly enter the target temperature setting. The flashing digit indicates which position is being modified. After setting both left and right target temperatures, press the temperature key again to save and exit. Long press the time key to enter the menu time settings. Select the menu you want to adjust. The screen will display TO, indicating the total cooking time setting. The flashing digit shows which number is being modified. After completing the settings, press the time key to enter the basket shake settings. The flashing digit indicates the editable position. Once finished, press the time key again to enter the oil drip time settings. Adjustable range, 10 to 30 seconds. After completing, press the time key to enter the SNS time compensation settings. Adjustable range, 0 to 20 seconds. Press the time key to save. Press again to exit settings. Short press the time key. Then enter the password 1650 to access the temperature and time settings. The setup method is the same as described above.